You're watching the Vegas style, and today I'm going to show you how I use Claude. I use it for different applications at my work. I use it here on my YouTube channel, so forth and so on. But let's go ahead and create a simple how to do list. Okay, I'm going to make this an HTML page, so basically a web page. So I'm going to type in something simple. Help me create a HTML page that will track my to-do list. And then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to add it where I can change the background color. So check this out. Also make it so that I can change the theme of the page with a push of a button. Make it look cool, but functional. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let that run. Now, what this does is it's going to go ahead and create an HTML page, a web page. And what I can do is I can put this onto my computer so that I can just go to it from there. Now, I don't have to keep on opening up Claude, so that saves me from wasting credits. Now, if you were looking for a fast type of video, this is not the one. I want to actually show you because in a lot of videos, you don't get to see how this process is really done. All right, so we're back. So I just wanted to show you what it did. It created the plan, it designed it, it did everything that I asked it to, and it's also going to save anything that I type into that application that we just built onto local storage. So if I close the app, the page, it's going to still be there. Okay. It also created the themes so that I could change the colors, which is perfect option. Trust me, you're going to want to give this a try. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, as you can see, it's created this on the right-hand side over here. What you want to do is you want to save this onto your desktop, okay, as an HTML file. Okay, so this is the product. So this is what it created. So basically, as you can see up here, this is on my C drive, right? So now this is a web page. It doesn't connect to cloud anymore. It doesn't connect to any actual, like, say, web page like, google.com or something like that. It's literally just on my computer. So what I can do now is I can put in my tasks that I want to track. So I'll say groceries. I'll keep that as a medium task, right? As like it would have did, it did low, medium, or high. So you can select that. I'll select medium. Then I'll also put in change car oil. So you can put it in however you like. But I'm going to go ahead and select this as a high to-do list item. So there's that. And as you can see, it changes this. And this did it all by itself, right? I really didn't have to say much to it. As you notice, I can also click on these X's here to delete the task if I didn't want it. I can change the style of the theme. That one's a little bit brighter, right? But take a look at that. That was all with just a few prompts and literally just within minutes. This did not take long at all. I would say maybe 5 minutes. Now, if I want to say, let's see, I want to say that I finished the car oil task. 1 out of 2 is completed now, and I have a status bar. And then I'll say groceries is also complete. Take a look at that. 100% completed. It's done. If you like this content, rate, comment, and subscribe. Come back because I'm going to be putting more of these tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.